Feeling overwhelmed by clutter? Let's hit the reset button this spring with a minimalistic approach to homemaking. Spring is the perfect time to reevaluate what truly serves our homes and loved ones. Go room by room asking yourself, does this add value to our life? And if the answer is no, simply toss it. Pro tip. Sometimes we can make a ton of excuses about why we need, love, or could use something. So if you're up for it, ask yourself, can I live without this? And chances are you absolutely can. Don't look at it as simply getting rid of something. You can use this item or items to bless someone in need by donating it. If it's not in that good of a condition to donate, then why are you keeping it anyway? It's probably not in the best condition for you and your loved ones as well. Now, if it's something sentimental, that's a little bit different, but I'm talking about the general day-to-day items. And if you want, while I'm on this decluttering rampage, if it is something a little bit sentimental, I challenge you to keep a box just for those sentimental items. Minimalist homemaking isn't about doing more, it's about doing less but better. Create a simple and efficient cleaning routine this spring to help get your home in tip-top shape without stressing yourself out. Create a simple but effective routine that focuses on high impact areas instead of deep cleaning everything at once. Consider using a system that gets you around your home multiple times so that you can actually get those deep cleaning sessions done without feeling overwhelmed. If you can, embrace this season with natural elements such as bringing in fresh flowers, opening the windows, and using light and airy linens. These small touches instantly cause your home to feel brighter and more inviting. Spring is also the perfect time to pack away our big, bulky winter items and bring out our lighter and brighter spring items. This time, consider creating a capsule wardrobe with your spring items and just see how fun that can be. Not to mention, you can make a ton of outfits and you don't have to deal with all these piles of laundry. Oh, and let's not do the saving our clothes for a special occasion, because every day is a gift and it is a super special occasion. So stick with what you love and make sure to wear often. As the season shifts, so do our daily routines. So be sure to take stock of things that are new this season and add it into your homemaking rhythms. Be sure to refresh your morning routines, your menus, your evening routines, whatever other routines you have throughout your day, and be sure that it's synced up and ready for spring. Now that we have some longer daylight hours, be sure to incorporate something fun outdoors as well. By the way, if you're loving these fun and simple homemaking tips, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and let me know in the comments down below what is one thing that you can do to incorporate fun into your homemaking this spring season. Try to minimize all your cleaning solutions to make cleaning easier. Be sure to use an all-purpose cleaning solution and keep all those specialty cleaning products to a minimum. Sometimes when we have a lot of those products, it can lead to a lot of overwhelm. So stick to your tried and true and toss the rest. A minimalist home isn't just about having less things, but it's also about having more peace. Be sure to take time to pray, reflect, make fun memories, and cultivate gratitude for all the things that we already have for your home and season ahead, and not to mention our loved ones. But if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.